Hello children, I hope all of you are safe at home. So yesterday in chapter number 7 lines and angles we saw relationship between angles, right? So today we are going to see some problems related on that concepts. So before moving towards our exercise 7.1, we'll see example number 7 which is given on page number 133 in your textbook. See what is the question? Identify the figures representing two adjacent angles. So, as you know, which angles are said to be adjacent angles? The angles, those who have a common vertex, right? And they must have a common arm, and the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Such type of angles are said to be adjacent angles. So here angle A and B, these two angles are given. Are they adjacent? You can see over here they are not adjacent. Why? Because they are having common vertex, but they are not having common arm. You can see over here. This is angle B and this is angle A, right? So these are not adjacent angles. I hope all of you understood this. Now let's talk about second diagram. In this diagram, this angle A and angle B is given over here, right? So we'll check the properties. Are they sharing common vertex over here? No. You can see here vertex of this angle is here and vertex of angle B is here. So they are not sharing a common vertex, right? They are sharing one common arm, but they are not sharing common vertex. So that means these are also not adjacent angles, right? I'll see the third one, see it one. In that, see here, this is angle A and this is angle B. Are these said to be adjacent angles? We'll check the properties. They are having common vertex over here, right? Angle A's vertex is this and B's also is this, right? And they are having one common arm. See here, they are sharing one arm, and the uncommon arms, see, they are lie on either side of the common arm. So that means here in this figure A and B are adjacent angles. Clear? Now indeed one. Okay, we'll see here, this is angle A, this much only, right? This is angle A and angle B means this is whole angle. This whole angle represent by B, right? So here, are they adjacent A and B? No. Why? Because see, here they are sharing vertex over here, okay, but if you observe their non-common arms, right? Here non-common arms of these angles, you can check over here, non-common arms are lie on the same side, right? This is angle A, this is angle B. So which are the non-common arms over here? This and this. Where they are lying, you can check, they are lying on the same side, right, of the common arm. So that means these are not adjacent angles. I hope all of you understood this. Now see children, we'll move towards our exercise 7.1. So question number 1 and question number 2 you can solve in textbook. If you have any problem, then please note it down and ask me whenever we'll meet. Okay? Now we'll move towards our question number 3. An angle is 10 degree more than its complement. Find the angle. See, read question thoroughly. An angle is 10 degree more than its complement. This word is important. Find the angle. Okay. So if we'll consider that angle, whichever angle you are going to find out, if we'll consider that is as x, so let that angle be x, then what will be its complement? Obviously x degree minus 10, is it? Why? Because what is given over here, an angle is 10 degree more than its complement, right? So that means its complement angle will be x degree minus 10. Got it? So according to given condition, we'll frame an equation. So what will be our equation? These are complementary angles. So we'll add these two angles. So addition of these two will be 90 degrees, right? So x plus its complement, that is x minus 10, is equals to 90 degrees. This will be our equation and we'll solve this equation now. So see here, x plus x means 2x. 2x minus 10 is equal to 90 degrees, right? Now this minus 10 will transpose on that side. So 2x will remains over here. 2x is equal to 90 and this minus 10 will become plus 10. So 2x is equal to 100, right? Now again this 2 is multiplied over here. We'll transpose this 2. It will get divide. So x is equal to 100 upon 2, that is equals to 50. So x is equal to 50, right? So our final answer is that angle is 50 degrees. Now I'll say question number 4. Find the complement of. One I have done for you. Remaining problems are for your homework. Keep in your mind that whichever problems I'm not solving over here, that you have to solve as a homework. Okay. So find the complement of 38 degree. Right. So complement of 38 degree is equal to, yesterday I told you, in previous video I told you how to find out the complement of an angle. You have to subtract this angle from 90 degree, right? So complement of 38 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 38 degree, that is equal to 52 degree. Okay. Similarly, see question number 5. Find the supplement of. Okay. Angle, supplementary angle is given as 105. Okay. So similarly, how can we find out supplement of 105? Obviously, you have to subtract the given angle from 180 degree, because the supplementary angles makes addition as 180 degree, right? So supplement of 105 is equal to 180 minus 105, that is equal to 75 degrees. Clear? Now see your question number 7. Look at the adjacent figure and answer the following. Okay. See the figure which is given on page number 135, question number 7. Okay. So what is the first question? Name the angles adjacent to angle DOE. This is your diagram. Where is DOE? DOE. So which angles are adjacent to DOE? You can see here two angles are there, right, which are adjacent to DOE. So what is the name of the first angle? See, this angle AOE, this is adjacent to DOE, and the second angle is angle COD. So our answer is CO here, angle AOE and angle COD. Got it? Now see the second question. Name the angle equal to angle COD. Now in your diagram, check where is COD? Here, angle COD. Okay. So which angle will be equal with this COD? Obviously this angle, because these two angles are forming vertically opposite angles, right? That means angle COD is equal to angle AOE. Clear? So that means angle COD is equal to angle AOE. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. Clear? Now see the next sub question. See, name the angles forming a linear pair, right? All these types of angles we already studied, right? So which angles are over here forming linear pairs? See your diagram. Okay, we'll start with COD. COD plus EOD or DOE. These two are forming linear pair, right? Now next pair, again DOE plus AOE. These two are forming linear pair, right? Then AOE and AOC. These two are also forming linear pair, right? One more pair you can write here. See, BOC plus BOE. These two are also forming linear pair, right? One more pair you can see here, AOB and BOD. These two are also forming linear pair. The angles whose sum is 180 degrees, two angles whose sum will be 180 degrees, that angles are said to be linear pairs. So by that way you can find out here linear pairs. Clear? See, now next sub question is find the measure of angle DOE. Now we'll check where is DOE. Here is your angle DOE. So how can we find out the measurement of this angle? See what is given over here. Here angle AOB is equal to 45 degrees, BOC is equal to 75 degrees and COD is equal to 60 degrees. So how can we find out the measurement of angle DOE? As you can see here, these two angles are forming linear pair, that is AOE plus DOE. These two are forming linear pair. So addition of these two will be 180 degrees. But what about AOE? Can we find out measurement of this angle? Yes, because here COD and AOE are vertically opposite angles. If COD is 60 degrees, that means AOE is also 60 degrees, right? So AOE will be 60 and AOE plus DOE will be 180. So by that way you can find out the measurement of this angle DOE. Let's see. You see your diagram here, angle DOE plus angle AOE is equal to 180 degrees. Reason, angles in a linear pair, right? Now angle DOE plus AOE means 60 degrees, right? Why? Because AOE is equal to DOC is equal to 60 degrees, as these are vertically opposite angles. So DOE plus AOE means 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So we'll transpose this 60, right? So DOE will remain as it is, equal to 180 minus 60, right? If we'll subtract this 2, we'll be getting 120 degrees. So angle DO is equal to 120 degrees. Next question is find the measure of angle AOE. In previous question we already find out, right? AOE. So AOE is equal to COD. These are vertically opposite angles, right? But COD is equal to 60 degrees. That is given to you. This is your equation number 2, and therefore angle AOE is equal to 60 degrees from 1 and 2, right? Now next question is name a pair of vertically opposite angles. That also we already saw. So here angle AOE is equal to angle COD. These are vertically opposite angles. Please check your diagram while solving these